Somebody cut me off, sorry.
Okay, we got people cutting us off. We got video. Where's the trees falling? Oh, there's one. Okay, wait.
Now it's
not gonna fall. Watch. Look at. Oh my God! Trees in the roadway. And the old lady's driving. Oh my God! Please help us. Make it easy.
Look at all that, honey.
They can't even see.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look at all that. Wow.
That's crazy.
Can't even. Oh, yeah. Somebody's gonna watch this get sick. I'm moving too fast.
Somebody get the broom.
And we got
Somebody get the broom.
Rugrats back
Dad,
here.
get the broom.
There's the other
He
one.
just called you guys Rugrats.
Oh. Daddy, take that back.
And
Take that back.
oh, is that one gonna fall? How come these aren't falling? It's only the ones in front of McDonald's, you know that? I gotta tell you something. These are fine.
Maybe they ate chicken
That's
nuggets.
the
Yeah, all
one
of these, none of these
in
fall all
front of
over there.
Maybe
McDonald's.
they ate chicken nuggets and now they're too fat.
Look at
Sorry.
Why is trying to kill us?
Traffic!
Hungry.
These are falling.
I'm not.
Look at. There's a whole bunch up on here. None are coming off. Only the ones in front of Mickey D's.
And they have nothing obstructing them either. They have buildings back there. The last one's like this.